Hello guys, welcome back to NF Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix the Lenovo laptop keeps buffering. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if your Lenovo laptop here keeps on buffering, there are a few things I need to consider. So first things first is you need to consider that your laptop may have contracted a form of virus. So the best thing that you could do here is you want to make sure that your security settings are turned on, or your antivirus settings are actually turned on, and you actually run the antivirus itself. So you want to go ahead and go to search here and just type in antivirus. You should see virus and threat protection here. This is from Windows themselves, so if you have your own software, just make sure to turn that on. But by default, Windows should have their own virus and threat protection here. So just do a quick scan here, or you could go and do a full scan in here just to make sure that your computer is protected or well protected. Also, you need to make sure that this is turned on. So you want to go to virus and threat protection settings, click on manage settings, and you want to make sure that real-time protection, the dev drive protection, cloud delivered protection, and any kind of protection here is actually turned on. So yeah, so once you've done a quick scan here and just did all of the necessary actions, like for example deleting certain files that they deem to be infected, you could go and just restart your PC and see if that helps. Now, another thing you may want to do here is you may want to delete some files that you have right now on your PC. Let's just say that you have a bunch of files here, like big files, like movies, or any project files that is like 20 gigabytes. So you may want to delete that. But after deleting a file here, so you typically you want to right click on them and just click on the delete option that you see here. But yeah, that is not enough. So I would recommend you to go to recycle bin here, right click on it, and you want to go to empty recycle bin. But just take note that if you empty your recycle bin here, you won't be able to recover any of the files that you deleted before. But there's a good way for you to, in this case, prevent the buffering issue here on your Lenovo laptop. Now, another thing you may want to do is you want to go ahead and reduce the number of processes running in the background for your laptop. So you want to enter Task Manager. So just press Control Shift Escape on your keyboard. And from here, you want to close any apps that you're not using. Like if you're using multiple browsers here, you may want to close some of them and just leave one. And to be speaking, this will actually help because usually browsers take a lot of memory and CPU here. So in this case, I would recommend you to close any apps that you're not using. Now, also, you could go to startup here. So usually we have startup here. So startup apps. So the thing with this one I like doing here is I want to disable any apps that I don't necessarily use immediately. Like for example, if you're not using your Vanguard tray here, you can right click on it, just click on disabled. So it will be disabled by default. It will not launch whenever you launch your computer here. So I'm gonna disable a few things. So this actually helps reduce the memory or the load that your Lenovo laptop needs to do. So this actually really helps. But yeah, so those are the things that you could try doing here, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.